Sri Matre Namaha. I welcome you all devotees. In today's satsang, we will see who is Durga Mata and benefits of reciting Durga Saptashati and Kunjika Stotra. The three major powers appeared from the Supreme Param Tattva, namely Mahasaraswati, Mahalakshmi and Mahakali. Mahakali is known as Parvati in Vedic texts. When all these three powers are gathered together and the power that arises from them is worshipped by everyone as Durga Mata today. Now let us see who is Durga Mata. Durga Shakti is a dynamic power which is more active on this earth in the form of Sattva, Tamo and Rajoguna and is doing its work on the earth. Mother has three major powers: Mahasaraswati Shakti, Mahalakshmi Shakti and Mahakali Shakti. These three powers are related to Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. That is why if the seeker worships Goddess Durga, there is no need of worshipping separately Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, Mahasaraswati, Mahalakshmi and Mahakali, because by worshipping Durga Mata, you worship all these Shaktis together. There are 9 forms of Goddess Durga. Those are called Navdurgas. We all worship them during Navratri. The worship of Durga Mata is done by reciting Durga Saptashati and Siddha Kunjika Stotra. Now let us see the benefits of reciting Durga Saptashati and Kunjika Stotra. Durga Saptashati is a divine text and Kunjika Stotra is divine Kunjika, that is a divine key, which will awaken all the powers of Durga Mata. In these texts, there is a description of the divine forms of Durga Mata. If the seeker always recites these both divine texts, his life is filled with knowledge, power and Aishwarya. He experiences the peace in his house. No devilish power, any tantra, mantra, magical power can move in his house and around the sadhaka. Every sankalpa of a seeker is fulfilled completely, but you do not get to see the result by starting immediately, because Mother first cleans the unwanted karmic patterns that has been done in your last birth by you, which are not allowing you to move forward in this birth. That karma will be cleansed by Mother, and then as your sadhana progresses, you will see your spiritual and material progress. So you always keep reciting Durga Saptashati and Kunjika Stotra. Kunjika Stotra is a divine hymn which is a group of Bija mantras. This stotra includes 3 powers of Durga Mata and 10 Mahavidya Bija mantras. Therefore, you must first recite Kunjika Stotra before reciting Durga Saptashati, and also when it finishes, finally Kunjika Stotra should be recited at last. To do this sadhana, you must take initiation of Durga Saptashati Kunjika Stotra. Otherwise, you do not get 100% benefit. By taking initiation of any mantra, Gurudev awakens in us the goddesses. That is why we do not have to work very hard, and after initiation, chanting the mantra starts giving you the immediate experience of that deity. Mahakali, who is also a form of Parvati, took 10 incarnations, which we call Das Mahavidya. If you worship Durga Mata, then you also get the blessings of these Das Mahavidya powers. But if you want to achieve full attainment of any one Mahavidya, you have to do that practice separately. So this was some of the information about Mother Durga. You must take initiation from your guru that you know, or link is given in description. Please go and search for Durga Saptashati Diksha and follow their process. You will get the initiation. All the topics on our channel given in the playlist. You will get all the videos related to them. Please always keep visiting our channel. Thank you to all devotees. Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha, Sri Matre Namaha.